guy. Have you ever been in a situation of downfall? Did you get out from it, like through the healing process? If yes, then you will understand what about I'm talking. If no, then you can go to my TikTok account that right now, unfortunately, I don't have an access to, so I can't post there, even if I want. Yeah, maybe we need a bit of help to restore it from my people there. But in any case, like, I had a period of deep healing, witchy healing, because I'm a witch, from a depression of mine. And you know, depression for witches is different as for humans, because when you are a grounded person, if you think that only people exist, yeah, then you definitely could hear an information that when you are in the depression, that it is sickness, and mostly if people like are in that state, they go to a psychiatrist, get this diagnosis, and like have pills to get out of it. However, like, there are several things that you see from those pills. When you are a spiritual person, then if you got till the point of not just feeling depressed, but being in the depression, then you see and feel things that are on another side in different ways. And you can start to think that you are psycho, that you like can't understand where is the reality and where is the spirituality, and a lot of other stuff. However, it all can be healed by yourself with an energy healing. If you're a witch as me, then you can heal yourself. If you're a spiritual person, then your like angels can heal you. If you are a human being, then you need someone who would heal you in an energetical level, because in any case, what mind conditions wouldn't you heal? Your water inside you, because we all are like, how many percent? 80, 90 are from water, yeah. So the water inside of you in that state become like a mud, and through the energy healing you need to clear that water to make it like crystal clear. And then like you get up, yeah, you energetically get up. And what is interesting is that through the healing process, you can be so used to it, so when you get out, it's like becoming boring because you have a lot of time and space, mind space, body space, environmental space, time space, emotional space to experience new things that are really, really exciting. However, on this transition path, you can miss the time when you were struggling. And this is why we like music from the time that we were in a downfall. However, we don't need to listen to that music a lot because like an energy aside we can get back. Maybe not so big, but like, yeah. And what I was doing when my body healed and my mind was healing, energy healing, you can look on that like profile. But one of the moments, one of them was reading cards, and I got my new deck turned into a filter that I liked through that of a candle. And let's make a reading for you. 8 of Wands. I'm feeling like you have some decision to make about the environment. Temperance, you need to balance yourself. Ace of Cups, yeah. Embrace that love within yourself. No. The Lovers. Yeah. Like, first of all, this is the love that you make within, collect within, and then it goes to the world. No. Judgment. Oh. Yeah. Some decision. Some decision. No. Decision to open tentacles. Like two worlds collide together. And the Emperor. You're becoming bold in yourself. And 6 of Wands. Like holding that power into your hands. Into nose. The Fool. New beginnings. 9 of Wands. Also. And Page of Wands. Yeah, you have new beginnings in life. with a lot of